How to improve live streaming. That's exactly what we're going to be talking about in this video. Stay tuned. What's going on, Rockstar? Jory here, and if this is your first time visiting me on the channel, why not consider subscribing and hitting that notification bell? This way you won't miss any of the video goodness that I make each and every week just for you. So how to improve live streaming? How exactly do you do that? Well, I'm going to give you 2 quick tips that you can use right away to improve your live stream. Tip number 1, make sure you have the proper lighting on the subject, and the subject would be you. You don't have to have expensive lighting equipment to look good on camera. You can use something as simple as natural sunlight, because there is no better source of light than sunlight. It's what all of the lighting equipment that we use is trying to emulate the sun. And guess what? The sun is absolutely free. Tip number 2, make sure you have the best audio that you can possibly have. Now, I'm not saying you got to run out there and get the most expensive microphone. Start where you are and use what you have. But here's a mistake I see a lot of people do on stream, and that is they have their sound, they have their microphone set up, but they're running something like a fan or an air conditioner in the background, and that's very distracting to your viewer. They can hear these things. So in most of the live streaming software that is out there today, it has noise reduction. Learn how to use it and remove the background noise. This way you will sound really great on stream. Because one of the things I've learned is if you don't sound really good on stream, you can have a bad camera. You can even have, like tip number 1, bad lighting. But if your audio is terrible, no one's going to watch your live stream or your video. So make sure you have the best audio that you can. Did you like this video? If so, give me a like. And if you didn't like it, go ahead and dislike it and let me know what you didn't like below so I can improve on these videos. And if you like this kind of training, I would love to offer you my ultimate live streaming checklist. It's the exact step-by-step process that I go through each and every time I live stream to have a perfect live stream. If you'd like to get your copy, I'll leave all the information in the description below. Thank you so much for being here. I do appreciate it, and I will see you in the next video.